Good morning, students. Hope all of you are safe at home. Okay. Yesterday we have started our next lesson, that is Golu grows a nose. This lesson is from your reader test book, that is An Alien Hand. We have started and we have seen first slide and the basic information of that lesson. That what is the characters and all. Okay. Today I will repeat in one time. Then we will go for the next slide. Okay. Let's see. I think hope all of you can see the board. Our lesson name, that is Golu grows a nose, and there are characters. These are the main three characters. What are the characters? First character you can see in pic also. Golu, the young elephant or baby elephant. Then the crocodile and the python. Python, the type of a snake. These are the main characters. Along with that we have another animal characters also. This story is regarding the forest and animals, so we have the animal characters. Here you can see the Golu, the baby elephant, has bulgy nose. This story is before when the elephants don't have trunk. Okay, this is the imaginary story. When the elephants don't have trunk, before that this story is there. So let's see the story. As I have explained yesterday that Golu, who is a small elephant, he used to ask the different questions. He is very curious and he asked different questions to the animals. Okay, here are the few animals. He asked to the yesterday I have explained. You can watch that video for more explanation. At the beginning of the lesson, this is the scene that Golu asked different questions to the different questions to the. He asked a different question to the animals. He asked a giraffe why your skin is spotty. He asked the ostrich why do not you ever fly like other birds aren't ostrich. So like this way he used to ask different questions to the animals. But what thing that animals don't have any type of answer to give to the Golu. So next we are going to see next slide. Now you can see in the second slide what the Golu has question in his mind and what he has asked to his mother. When Golu went home, he took 100 sugar cans, 50 dozens of bananas and 25 melons, but he had never seen a crocodile and did not know what one looked like. Now there is a question in his mind. Golu had dinner. He took all things, banana, sugar cane and all. But then also he has one question in his mind, that how crocodile looks like. He don't know about crocodile anything. Okay, so see the next what Golu asked. Ma, I met the myna bird sitting in the middle of the bush, and I asked her what the crocodile has for dinner. But she asked me to go to the bank of the great grassy Limpopo river and find out for myself. Now here Golu asked a question to the myna, that do you know the crocodile and what the crocodile has for dinner? Myna said that I don't know, you yourself go to the Limpopo river, bank of the Limpopo river, and find out yourself what she had for the dinner. Now here Golu is ready to go to the Limpopo river and he informed, so goodbye dearest folks, I am going to great grassy Limpopo and I will find out what the crocodile has for dinner. Now here Golu is going and finding out what the crocodile has for dinner. On his way, Golu meets a python. You can see in pic. Okay, he meets the python. Have you ever seen a crocodile? What does he look like? What does he have for dinner? The python uncoiled. We know that the python is coiled. Okay, this snake's coiled like this. Python is also snake, so he coiled himself. And python uncoiled himself from the branch of the tree, but said nothing. Golu politely helped him to coil around the branch again and said goodbye to him. Now here Golu met to the python and he asked to the python that do you know the crocodile is where, how the crocodile looks like, what the crocodile has for dinner. But python don't know about this anything. Golu moved on eating sugar canes, bananas and melons. After a few days, he reached the very edge of the great grassy Limpopo river. Now anyhow, Golu managed himself to reach at the riverside. And there he saw something like a log of wood. Log of wood, he saw something, and it was really the crocodile who winked at him. Excuse me. Here you can see what Golu asked to the crocodile. Excuse me, have you ever seen a crocodile? I want to know. You are the very person I was looking for. Please tell me what you have for dinner. Now here all questions are in his mind, and he went to the riverside. He found a log of wood, like a log of wood, and that is the crocodile. And he asked the crocodile only that, have you ever seen a crocodile? The crocodile says, come here little one, what do you ask such questions? Because I want to know. Come close little one, for I am the crocodile. I am only crocodile. Come to near me, please come. The crocodile is calling to baby elephant. I will shed some crocodile tears to show you it's quite true. Come here little one, and I will whisper the answer to you. Now here crocodile say that you want a question, you have a question in your mind that what crocodile have for dinner. Please come closer to me. I will say my answer, whisper my answer, say slowly my answer in your ear. Please come very closer to me. In this way, crocodile tried to call the baby elephant to the closure. What is the plan of crocodile? We know. Yes.